Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pankaj and my channel name is Out of Out. Our motto is each and every student will get full marks in each question. Then only possible will get good score. Okay, so now I'm studying chapter 1, your exercise. First exercise given, exercise 1.1. 1.1 I'm taking. First question is given here. Express each of the product. It's a prime factor as a product of a prime factors. Okay, so here we have to do the prime factorization and we have to write it a product form, power form we have to write actually. Okay, so how we have to do, look at this. First question what they gave, here 140. If you do prime factorization, 140 which table will divide? 2 table means we'll get here how much? 70 will get. Then again 2 table means we'll get how much? 35 again 2 table means how much will get? Sorry, 2 table is not possible, then we have to do 5 table. 5 table how many time is possible? Is possible 7 time. Then 7 table have to do 7 table how many time possible? 7 time is a 1 time possible. So 140 if you write it 2 into 5 into 7, correct? This will write, but here we write in the power form to write 2 square into 5 the power 1 into 7 the power 1. So this is your final answer. You have to get the right like that. Okay, similarly next question is given what? Next question is given here 156. So 156 to divide 2 table is possible because last digit is 6 is an even number means divisible by 2 table also. So now I am dividing 2 table means first how many time will go? Here will go 7 time, here will go 8 time. Next again 2 table means we'll get it because 8 we got, that's why again we divide 2 table. तो फिर से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं हम 2 से, तो आ जाएगा हमारा 39. ओके, देन 2 टेबल्स अगेन डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा? हम सॉरी 2 से नहीं होगा, 3 से पॉसिबल होगा तो 13. देन 13 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, देन डायरेक्टली वी राइट 13. सॉरी 13 1 जा 13 only 1 will get. Okay, so here what we got here 156. Prime number is what? 2 into 3 into 13. How will write? 2 square into 13, 3 the power 1 and 13 the power 1. This is a 156 is a 156 prime factorization. Okay, like that next question is given. Next question I'm discussing.